In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Insightly. Whether you're building a report, sharing a list with your team, or backing up your CRM, exporting a clean CSV file only takes a minute. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open Insightly in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the Contacts area. This is where your people records live, and it's the most common place you'll export from. If you only need a specific segment, like contacts in a certain region or with a particular tag, use the search bar or filters before you export. Narrowing your list now ensures your file contains exactly what you want. Once you're viewing the contacts list, look for the checkbox at the top left of the table header. Click this box to select all visible contacts. In many views, Insightly may prompt you to select all records that match your current filter, not just those on the page. If you see that option and you intend to export everything that fits your criteria, confirm it. If not, keep the selection limited to what's on screen. With your contacts selected, find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More menu, near the top of the list. Click it to open the actions available for your selection. Choose Export to CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, a universal format that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most analytics platforms. Insightly will compile your selected contacts and start the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to pick a location. If the list is large, give it a moment to finish. After the file saves, open it to review the columns and spot check a few rows. Make sure the key fields you rely on, like names, titles, companies, and email addresses, appear as expected. If something looks off, head back to Contacts, adjust your filters or selection, and export again. A couple of closing tips. Keep exported files secure since they contain personal information. Give the file a clear name and date so you can find it later. And if you routinely export the same slice of data, save your filter view in Insightly first to speed up future exports. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Insightly to CSV.